I'll show you two ways to get back old filters on your iPhone 16 and above. So usually after iPhone 16 we have new filters. But if you wish to get old filters back on your iPhone, go to settings, go to camera, formats, and choose most compatible. So now after you take a photo, for example, I take a photo, go to set edit, go to filters, and as you can see we have old filters back. The other way you can get back old filters on your existing photos is by going to WhatsApp, and what you have to do is just send your existing photo to yourself. Now tap on that particular photo, hit share and hit save. Go back to your photos, and what you have to do is you have to go to recently saved album, head back to the same photo, and as you can see we have old filters back. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.